Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of folding. The act of folding. Fold. A geological process that causes a bend in a stratum of rock. Fold. The process whereby a protein molecule assumes its intricate three-dimensional shape. Understanding protein folding is the next step in deciphering the genetic code. Protein folding. Capable of being folded up and stored. Foldable, foldaway.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.